Hey guys, I'm Dan and welcome back to the basement Dino Dungeon. Okay, so today we will take a look at our farm animals, birds, cats and dogs collection because recently we have actually added quite a few new bird figurines to our collection. So I think it's time for us to revisit our farm animals collection. Okay, so let's do this. Alright guys, so let's begin. Okay, what I intend to do is basically to lay every single figure on the table. Okay, all the birds on one side, dogs on one side, farm animals maybe in the middle. So let's do this. First one right here is actually a very old figure of mine. It's a vulture from Schleich. I think this is all the way back in like 2012 if I'm not wrong. So beautiful bird of prey vulture figure, my one and only vulture. Next we have an albatross. Alright, beautiful albatross. If I'm not wrong, this is actually from Safari Ltd 2017 figure. Beautiful. Let's place this one right here. Next, we have a snowy owl from Safari Ltd. I love this because it actually looks very accurate when it comes to the sculpt. Alright, let's place this one right here. Now let's have a look at some of the farm animals. This is actually from one of the budget packs. It's been with me for multiple years. We have a Holstein cow right here. I'm gonna put like the farm animals right in the middle. Next, peacock. Beautiful one. If I'm not wrong, this was actually contributed to my collection by a Gensafarian. 2008 peacock. Beautiful. Let's place this one right here. And what do we have here? A red Cardinal. Yep, 2018 Safari Ltd figure. I think I got this on my own from a website. Okay, now let's move on to the domestic pets. We have a German Shepherd right here. Okay, beautiful one. I think we should have a couple of German Shepherds in our collection. Golden Retriever, I would say this is like the least accurate looking Golden Retriever in my collection. And I love Golden Retrievers. They are so gentle, they are so intelligent. I just love them. Here we have I think this is a Billy Goat. Let's have a look. Oh, it's a nanny goat. I beg your pardon. Yep, I should have known better. And this one is, if I'm not wrong, is a Harpy Eagle from Safari Ltd. Beautiful. Seems like, you know, the birds, we do have quite a few of the figures. Ostrich. Okay, I'm gonna put this one right here. Ostrich is one of the flightless bird. They can actually run very fast, up to like 70 kilometers per hour, I think. Or is it like 50 to 70? Next, we have an American bald eagle. One very cool fact is that you are not allowed to hunt any bald eagles in USA, not even keeping a feather. It is a crime. And here with a kiwi. Okay, native to New Zealand. And here we have a Persian cat. Yep, I love this species or this breed of cats. They just look so gentle. This is a Billy Goat. Okay, Billy Goat, I'm gonna place it right here. Now we have another cat right here. I think this is a tabby cat, if I'm not wrong. This is from Papo. Most Papo figures were contributed by a Gensafarian. Yeah, he has sent me a lot of figures. Next we have a Dalmatian. Is this considered a puppy? Probably. Okay. Next, a rabbit. A rabbit, we can basically place it like in between the farm animals as well as the domestic pets, I think. Yep, a rabbit. So I'm gonna put this like this. And another albatross, guys. Okay, I think this is actually from my own personal collection, if I'm not wrong. Wandering albatross from Collecting. Pretty nice. And what is this? Pelican? Yeah, pelican. Let's see what else we got. Another goat. This is a nanny goat. This is known as a Dachshund. Okay, they are super adorable. I love them. Another. Okay, this is a macaw. Okay, a macaw. We actually have a couple of macaws. We have a red one, we have a blue one. If I'm not wrong, I have two blue ones in my collection. So you can see our collection of birds is actually pretty big. What is this? If I'm not wrong, this is a red-tailed hawk. Yeah, that's right, a red-tailed hawk. The place is right here. This is a pig. Hampshire pig. I'm gonna put the pig right here. Hyacinth parrot. Okay, I'll try to place them as neat as possible. We have a donkey from Schleich. If I'm not wrong, we only have probably like two to three donkeys. I definitely want to expand my donkeys collection, that's for sure. Here's a donkey foal. Yep, it's super adorable. You can see it's actually from Schleich as well. Flamingo. Put this one right here. And here we have a pig. A beautiful one. This is a Labrador, if I'm not wrong. Yep, Labrador. I think they are in terms of look, I think they are very similar to Golden Retrievers. German Shepherd puppy, super adorable, lovely. Okay, and this is basically a hen and some chicks. We have a Jack Russell Terrier. Jack Russell Terrier, they are hyper active. They need a lot of exercise. They are pretty small, but they have very, very good stamina. And here we have another rabbit. Yep, or it could be known as a hare, I think. Could be a hare. What is this? This is actually a new figure. You know, I haven't really reviewed this. This is actually a black-faced spoonbill. Very nice. Okay, let's see what else we've got. Another pig right here. Okay. Holstein cow. You can see it's actually wearing a bell. Alright. Okay, next we have a look at this, which is a raven. Beautiful. Another gigantic pig. I'm gonna move the box away, maybe right here, so that you guys can have a clearer view. Okay, and here we have a border collie, which is, you know, known as the most intelligent species of dogs. They are able to herd sheep very, very well. They are super intelligent, super fast. I love border collies. You should, you know, go and watch some, you know, videos of border collies. They are so good at their work. It's incredible. And this is a collie, different from border collie, very different. This seems to be a calf, and this is a sheep. Another sheep, a black sheep. This is a Shiba Inu, very beautiful. They're native. I think they are like super popular in Japan. And here we have another tabby cat, super cute. I don't think we have many cats in our collection, but yep, it should slowly, you know, increase. Chinchilla. I'm gonna put a chinchilla like close to the rabbits, okay? Toucan. Okay, another bird. This is an Americana chicken. They actually lay blue eggs, which is kind of incredible. Tabby cat. Peacock, again, we have two peacocks, and both of them are actually quite similar. This is actually from Collecte, which I think is way better than the one from Schleich, because you can see, you know, the one from Collecte actually have very good detailing, intricate detailings on you know, on the feathers. You know, sorry, so I was reading a notification. It was really weird to see my own videos getting notified, which is like, you know, I posted that video a couple of days back and I just received a notification right now, which is super weird on Den Surprise, okay? And here we have another pig. I can't remember which company actually made this. Can't really tell, but it's fine. Here we have another Holstein cow. Big one is actually from Schleich. This one, it should be a billy goat. A cat. Tabby cat. Golden Retriever. I think this is perhaps my best Golden Retriever figure because you can see, just look at the face. Looks super adorable. It actually looks very accurate, and I think this is from Schleich. Let me just double check. Yep, it's from Schleich. Schleich has wonderful craftsmanship, I feel. This is a chicken, a Bantam chicken, which is one of the smallest species of chickens around. A duck. You know, too bad it doesn't have the species name. Yeah, because I feel this looks like a Mandarin duck. A little bit like a Mandarin duck, but it's not a Mandarin duck. This is the long-eared owl. You can see the ears are actually very long. Not too sure whether this figure is able to stand. Oh, it's able to stand. Cool. We have a Great Dane. Huge dog. Very tall. Kookaburra. It's one of the birds in Australia, if I'm not wrong. This is a Boston Terrier. Yep, that's right. This is a Husky. Siberian Husky, to be exact. Do we have more cats? I don't think so. Oh, we still have one more. Right here. Siamese cat. This is a pelican, I think. Can't really tell. White pelican. Yeah, a pelican. Nice. This is a cockatoo. A blue macaw. Yep, so just, you know, we have one right here. A cow. This is from PNSO. Another golden retriever. This golden retriever is great, but I actually like this one more. Both are actually from... Okay, this is actually from Safari Ltd. But I like the face of this one more because it looks more gentle. It looks very friendly. It looks like a golden retriever. Yeah, I think they have done it really, really well. Okay, gonna move the box away. We have a sheep. Oops. Yeah, I'm trying to hold on to the box at the same time. A cow. This is known as a Guernsey cow. Yeah, they are super popular with farmers. And here we have a Shar-Pei. Shar-Peis are super adorable. Yeah, they're super adorable. And they have very wrinkled skin, which is very, very cute, I think. And speaking of cute, we have another one which is very cute right here. This is the Hungarian pig. They're well known for their curly hair. Very cute. Okay, next. We have a French bulldog, Frenchie. You know, people call it Frenchie in short. Some chicks right here. Okay, I'll try to arrange them as neat as possible. What is this? I think this is a stork. I think so. A chicken from Peppo. Probably, I would say probably an Americana chicken because they look so similar. I'm not sure because it doesn't have the name, you know, written anywhere. So I can't promise you guys, you know, I got it right. Collie puppy, I think. Yep, collie puppy, super adorable. Poodle, one of the very intelligent species of dogs. Black sheep, same one, we have two of them. Turkey, so the turkey is going to be placed right here. Okay, let's see what else we got. Cassowary, a living dinosaur. They are basically descendants of dinosaurs because they are theropods. Phoenix rooster. Looks like we have more birds than, you know, like cats and farm animals. Another kiwi. Some figures we actually have like two of them. What is this? Boxer. So boxer will go right here. Another chicken. Chicken we can perhaps put right here because it is also part of the farm animals collection. Oh, finally we have another cat, Siamese cat. This is a bulldog, very cute. And another chicken from Schleich. This is a pot-belly pig, super cute. Wow, is this like the most adorable figure in my collection? It looks like a Shiba Inu puppy. We have another owl. This one seems like the great horned owl. Place this one right here. Jack Russell Terrier. We have another piglet, to be exact. This is a lorikeet. Beautiful bird. You can see it has so many colors. I've actually seen them in my local bird park. Super adorable. I love them. They are very, very gorgeous looking in terms of their colors. And speaking of colors, this is actually another one which is very unique. It is the blue-footed broody. Have you guys seen how they walk? They basically walk in a very exaggerated manner. So they leave their legs up very high and they put it down very slowly to attract mates, to attract the female broodies. Super adorable. Schnauzer. Okay. Here we have an Anhinga. I'm going to try to put it right here. Another terrier. This is what do you call this? I can't remember the name of this terrier, and it doesn't have the name below. Mandarin dog, I suppose. I think so. Not exactly sure, but I think so. And we have a tiny little billy goat, I think. Okay, so check this out, guys. I'm going to try to rearrange them, try to put more figures in front. You can see this is basically our collection of dog figures and stuff like that. Okay, let me know down below whether you guys like me to lay all my figures right here on the table so that you guys can have a very nice look at all of them. I like it. So thanks for watching this. Let me know down below which other collection you guys want me to make by laying them on the table, because it is pretty cool. Okay, let me know down below in the comments. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.